Hi, in this video, we're going to look at this problem here that says given that h of x is a one-to-one function, write a corresponding statement about the inverse for h of 12 equals 4 and h of 19 equals negative 3. First of all, let's take a look at this part here. It says that h of x is one-to-one. Now, that means that not only is it a function where every x has only one y, but every y has only one x. This is so that an inverse can exist. So they tell us that just to let us know that inverses are possible. Now, let's take a look at our two specific components here. We're told that h of 12 is equal to 4. Now, when we say that h of 12 equals 4, notice that this is really saying like h of x is equal to y. So we know that the point 12, 4 is on our value for h of x because the x is 12 and the y is 4. When we do an inverse, okay, we are swapping the x and the y. So instead of 12 comma 4, we can now say 4 comma 12. And this is where we're talking about h inverse of x, right? So now we can say h inverse of our 4 is equal to 12 because we have swapped our x and our y. Let's take a look at our second question here, the h of 19 equals negative 3 as well, because that tells us that x is 19 and y is negative 3 on our h of x graph. If we swap our x and y for our inverse, so that's negative 3, 19, that goes with our h inverse of x, and we would be able to write this as h inverse of negative 3 equals 19. So these are our two solutions. If h of 12 equals 4, then h inverse of 4 equals 12. And if h of 19 equals negative 3, then h inverse of negative 3 equals 19.